Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful, welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most trending ideas. First of all, thank you so much for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, viewers, you can see in this video we are providing you most trending article of handmade crochet turtle work hats. It's very beautiful and very important, especially for summer. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because this video is very helpful, especially for especially for college going girls, because it's a sunny days and very hot days, so this is very important part in your life. All the designs are very stunning, very unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of most beautiful and popular collection. So you will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending designs of handmade crochet hats. Mm, you know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors, different type of themes and different type of design. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique design of handmade crochet hats. So you will pick your favorite one and take a screenshot for reminder and must make these beautiful designs for yourself for more beautiful and unique look. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass hat collection, it's very amazing collection for them and they will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet hats. So viewer, now I am share with you the what is the crochet. It's a very important and very common question. So now I am share with you what is the crochet. Crochet is a popular needle technique that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a versatile craft that can be used to make a wide range of items such as clothing and accessories, home decor, kids' toys, granny squares. Crochet has many benefits including relaxation and stress relief, creative expression and self-expression, portability, easy to take with you on the go, customization, choose your own yarn, colors and patterns, cost effective, make your own items instead of buying them. Some common crochet stitches including chain stitch, single crochet, half double crochet and treble crochet. So if you are interested and so I am providing you the amazing tips and amazing instructions of crochet. And if you are learning how to crochet, there are many resources. I am also available for your help and resources and tutorials available on my channel. So these are very helpful for you, especially for beginners. It's a very wonderful hobby. It's a great a way to create something with your own hands, relax and express your creativity. Here are some fun facts about crochet. Crochet is a French word meaning hooks. The first known evidence of crochet dates that back to 1824 in South America. Crochet has originally used to make clothing, accessories, and home decor items. The most common crochet hook material are aluminium, steel, and wood. Crochet has many health benefits, including reducing stress and providing fine motor skills and promoting relaxation. The world's largest crochet hook has over 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. Crochet is a popular hobby worldwide and million people know very well. Whether you are a beginner or experienced crocheter, there's always something new to learn and create. Happy crocheting and happy hooking. So, viewer, if you all understand, I hope you all are understand the details of crochet. So this is very helpful video for beginners. If you are interested and if you all are love these articles or watch my all the previous videos, like and share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewer, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay, viewers, see you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.